Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pantry drawer cover in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pantry drawer cover. The pantry drawer cover is located at the bottom in the fresh food compartment. The main reason why the pantry drawer cover would need to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So I'm going to remove the drawers, and then I'm going to remove the crisper drawer cover. Alright, so I'm going to lift up the front just a little bit and then pull out the cover. Be careful, don't break the glass in the middle. Now we can remove the pantry drawer. Simply pull it out, then lift it up, and now we can remove it. Now we're going to remove the old pantry drawer cover. I'm going to press right in the middle here. Press it up. Pull it on the top. Need to be careful. We're going to bend it right in the middle so this hinge will get freed. So I'm going to push it to the right and bend it at the same time. And then I'm going to pull out the right side hinge. This is the old pantry drawer cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to insert this hinge into this opening again. And we're going to place this over two hinges here. Close it. Now I'm going to need to bend this, but very carefully. Slowly. And now we can peel off the protective film. And now I'm going to place in the pantry drawer, lift up the cover, slide it in, and let down the cover. Now the crisper drawer cover goes in. Slide it in. And the crisper drawer. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.